The second example of when to use the system maintenance function is at the end of the day if the system were sprayed until empty. These steps are like a rainout procedure. However, we only use the last two steps, the rinse procedure and the boom cleanout. Start by selecting Rinse Out nozzles. In the empty box, select the source where the fresh water should come from. For this example, we'll select the rinse tank. Press the check mark to start the rinse. This will start and run the pump. The pressure and rate become a factor of the tip size installed and is not controlled automatically. Turn on the section valves to spray the rinsate on the ground. In accordance with product labels, this should be done in the field. Once the entire boom has been flushed, press the check mark to stop the pump and to automatically close all valves. To finish the procedure and ensure all plumbing is clear, including the nozzle bodies, go into the Boom Cleanout screen. Choose the appropriate boom cleanout based upon your machine's configuration, either with or with no chemical injection. Lower the boom as low as possible to prevent drift. Read the next prompt, but immediately jump to the next screen where you can monitor the boom pressure. Turn on the section switches one at a time to purge the rinsate from the booms. It is recommended to do one section at a time to maintain some boom pressure, though a high boom pressure is not necessary as you need airflow more than pressure to remove the rinsate. Note that the higher the air pressure, the higher the potential for small droplets and driftable fines. This 5-minute procedure ends the most effective process in the industry that could be used at the end of every average day to save hours of headache. When starting the next day, simply reload the machine and start your application.